Education is the means of developing our greatest abilities. As in each of us, there is a hope and dream which fulfilled can be translated into benefit for everyone and greater strength for our nation. Gyan Ganga International Academy, Bhopal has emerged as a center of excellence in the field of school education in central India, where world-class educational facilities are available at a very affordable cost. At present, they are successfully running 2 more CBSE affiliated public schools and 3 world-class engineering, MBA and MCA colleges at Jabalpur and Bhopal. The Gyan Ganga International Academy, Bhopal is affiliated with CBSE Delhi and ISO 9001-2000 certified for excellence in education. It follows the curriculum matching well to the guidelines of NCERT and offers mathematics, life science and commerce streams to the students at senior level school.
Students are not vases to be filled, but they are a fire to be lit. Here at Gyan Ganga, we are totally committed to develop the overall personality of the students so that they could come out with the holistic development. And we also see to it that they enrich their confidence to face the challenges of the new global era.
We are associated with University of Cambridge, UK, ESOL, that is English for Speakers of Other Languages, examination for YLE Bridge course. For the best preparations of various engineering and medical entrance examinations, we have a tie-up with FITGI to train students during school hours. In result of this, 8 students in 2007, 11 in 2008 and 9 in 2009 were selected in IIT JEE.
Guidance and counseling is provided to the scholars from Standard 9 to prepare them for the professional courses, keeping in view their career opportunities. This gives them strength to groom their personality and to be positive in life.
The Academy has the entire necessary infrastructure to inculcate and develop all these qualities in each scholar so that he can be molded as a sensitive man with scientific and artistic attitude. The junior wing of the Academy is having all the modern educational aids to have fun while learning in nature, be it an audio-visual room, toy room, playing arena, sand and clay pits, etc. The senior wing has large-sized, well-ventilated smart classrooms with LCD screens and projector. At Gyan Ganga, we have well-equipped modern laboratories of physics, chemistry, biology for practical experiments. There exists an advanced multimedia computer labs with latest hardware and software connected on LAN with high-speed broadband internet facilities. The library at Gyan Ganga gives a complete feeling of educational environment with spacious hall and a collection of variety of books, journals and magazines on different subjects with large number of audio-visual cassettes and CDs.
My son is studying in this academy from last 2 years. He is studying in class 8. Actually, he is a day boarder. And this academy takes very good care of day boarders. So I am very happy with that. Actually my son was very naughty, but because of strict discipline of this academy, now he is very sincere towards his studies and he got 3rd rank in his class, so I am very happy with the academy.
My 2 kids are studying in this school. One is in the nursery section. Actually they have a wonderful kindergarten section. They are teaching with the playway methods, the activities are there, a lot of activities, and they are using the smart classes, that is computer based teaching also. So my kid is very happy here, and teachers are very motherly and they are giving a very good atmosphere. Spoken English is here, and they have to speak only in English. So he has learnt many sentences and lots of words in English. His vocabulary has really improved a lot. So I'm very happy with the school.
The importance of extracurricular activities is emphasized at Gyan Ganga through numerous activities. It helps in the overall personality development of children. Annual cultural festival is organized to involve students in the various events to bring the hidden talents of the future leaders and to showcase the vibrant culture of entire nation making. The mental fitness must be accompanied by the physical fitness, and for that, various games and sports energize and recharge the mind of students. These include football, basketball, swimming, yoga, and so on. Gyan Ganga has glorious history of producing sports champions in past years.
As far as Gyan Ganga group of institutions are concerned, we are working with the sole motive of excellence in education and social service. For me as a principal, it's beyond that. It's all about forming values, turning students into knowledge warriors. When I say growth and achievement, there should be less on the materialistic part, more on the parts of understanding, humanity and oneself.
The home away from home feeling is felt at Gyan Ganga hostels, where students enjoy unique lifestyle with state-of-the-art facilities. There exist separate hostels for boys and girls having ample and spacious accommodation. The rooms are well maintained and are equipped with necessary furniture, power backup, laundry and medical facilities which provide wholesome living and excellent disciplined study environment. An educational cum variety entertainment program called Summer Course is a unique initiative at Gyan Ganga for best utilization of children's summer vacations.
At Gyan Ganga, we are dedicated to build the knowledge leaders of tomorrow. I hope that our mission statement communicates Gyan Ganga's belief about holistic education, which is not an event but a lengthy and complex process involving various dimensions. As a director of Gyan Ganga group of institutions, I believe in encouraging a sense of belongingness and ownership in the school by parents, students and staff through continuous communication. I invite the scholars from various culture and ethnicity to join and prepare for the infinite possibilities available to them when they enter the world-class learning institutions to foster the best playing within them.
In the race of life, Gyan Ganga students are destined to make a mark. Let's blast the myths. Let's challenge the destiny. Let's believe in ourselves. Let's be us from the beginning.